So last week, we actually launched our annual CEO survey where 72% of CEOs ranked investment in GenAI as a top priority for their organizations, despite a really challenging economic environment. And it's technology that they expect to see a return from in the next few years. But from my vantage point, like I'm seeing it at all levels of the organization, actually. As someone who runs a business function, I see the Gen AI as what we've been waiting for, truly. We just didn't know that we needed it. It's like reminds me of that song, I Loved You Before I Met You, because I've never met a marketing team that says, we have all of the resources we need, we have all of the people we need, we're focusing on all of the right strategic things that we need to be focused on. The reality is that marketing departments have budgets getting cut, people have more on their plates than they can practically handle. We're expected to do more with less, produce better outcomes. So in my mind, Gen AI is really kind of our ticket. It can help us create efficiencies and productivity that we so desperately need so that we can take out the tedious parts of our job and elevate what we're doing.